Okay guys, today we're going to be doing a number talk, and I know that I am dressed super crazy. I have my bib on. It's because it is 100th day of school on the day that I am making this, so just know that. That's why I'm dressed so funny. Okay, so for this number talk, I'm going to show you some addition problems and maybe one subtraction problem, and you need to tell me what you think the answer is. We'll talk about all the different pieces and parts of these questions in just a minute, but first let's see if we know the answers. So here's your first one. You ready? I'm going to show it again. What is it? 6 plus 1 is 7. So the answer to this question is 7. Let's check out another one. Ready? I'll show it again. Here we go. What was it? 5 plus 2 is 7. Hey, that's kind of crazy because 6 plus 1 was 7 and 5 plus 2 is 7. We took 1 plus 6 and got 7. Then we took 5 plus 2 and got 7. How are these problems similar? Well, they both have the sum of 7, don't they? They both have the sum of 7. I can have 6 plus 1 to equal 7 and 5 plus 2 to equal 7. It's almost like if I took 1 away from the 5 and gave it to the 2, they would be the same problem. Wait, I said that wrong. If I took 1 out of the 2 and gave it to the 5, that's it. 1 out of the 2 and gave it to the 5, they would be the same problem. So you can manipulate your numbers to make them work for you. Let's look at another one and then we'll compare it. Look at this one. All right, 9 minus 2. What is 9 minus 2? 9 minus 2 is 7. That's right. 9 minus 2 is 7. And we know that 5 plus 2 is 7, which means that both of these numbers are 2 spots away from 7. 5 would be moving down the number line. 9 would be moving up the number line. 5 is 2 less than 7. 9 is 2 more than 7. That's how these problems are related. So let me ask you this. How far away is 9 from 5? If I had a problem that said 9 minus something gives me 5, based on what we just talked about, how could I figure this out? So we know that 9 minus 2 is 7. So we have 9, we take away 2, that's 7. What if I take away 2 more? Then we're at 5. So 2 and 2. My missing add-in would need to be 4. That's kind of crazy, isn't it? Kind of confusing to think about. But we can see how all of our numbers are related. Math is just like a crazy web of numbers. And if we know how to navigate that web, we'll be much better off. So thank you for listening to my number talk today. It's just to warm your brain up. If you're like, whoa, a little lost, that's okay. It's just to warm our brain up and to think about some math and to think about some numbers. You didn't have to, there's not really a right or a wrong answer. We're just thinking about numbers in a different way. So I'll see you next time for our number talk, and I'll talk to you soon.